teaching you how to make a homemade acai bowl. Okay, so you're going to start by plugging in your blender, but you're not going to turn it on just yet. Once your blender is plugged in, you can start putting the first ingredients inside the blender. We're going to start with 1 cup of berries. I like to use mixed berries and strawberries. Half of your banana. You can break it up so it's easier to blend. About a half a cup of milk or milk alternative. I'm using almond milk in this one. And then a teaspoon of acai powder. Then you place your top back on. And then you can turn your blender on and you'll blend it to your desired consistency. The consistency of your base should be kind of like a thicker smoothie, and if it's not blending very well, you can feel free to add more of your milk or milk alternative. But once you get it to your desired consistency, make sure to turn off the blender and unplug it. You can then take off the top and pour it into your bowl. You can use a spatula if you need to get any excess base out of the blender. You can spread it out just so you have an even layered base as well. And then you're going to place your bowl in the freezer and allow your base to freeze for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once your base is fairly hardened or frozen, you can take your bowl out of the freezer. I'm going to top mine with some creamy peanut butter. You can also use almond butter, or you don't have to use any nut butter at all, but it does add an extra source of protein. So you're going to take however much peanut butter or nut butter that you desire, and you're going to spread it. It's a little bit difficult, but you're going to spread it across the top of the base. So you'll play around with that for a little while. Go ahead and stop. So you'll spread the nut butter across like so. It doesn't have to be very clean, it's a little difficult. And then you're going to take your granola. This is one of my favorite granolas to use. It has chia seeds and coconut in it. And you're going to pour a layer of this on top of the base and the nut butter. You can have as little or as much as you want. I just like a good even layer. Alright. Some of the chunks are a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to break them up a little bit and spread them across the top. So then I have the bowl with the nut butter and the granola on top. Now we're going to top it with our fruits. Today I'm using blueberries, raspberries, and the other half of the banana we used earlier. So I'm going to use the banana first, and I'm just going to layer it on the right side of the bowl. You can make it as pretty as you want. In the middle, we're going to have raspberries today. Another common topper is strawberries, so that's another good idea to use. And then on the other side, we're going to put the blueberries. This is the stuff that makes the bowl look so pretty. And then to top it off, again, this is optional as well, but I highly recommend it, some honey. Just going to drizzle it over the fruit. Again, as little or as much as you want. And there you have it, a homemade acai bowl.